Hello everyone, my name is Atreyee and welcome to The Curious Equation. It is an educational YouTube channel where I will teach you physics. So in 2021, I cracked IITian exam. I didn't expect that I will crack this in one chance, but I did it anyway. So recently I have completed my masters in physics from IIT Dhanbad. I will show you some pictures about what life in IIT is, and if you want to see more pictures I will upload it. Please comment down below. During my time in class 11th and 12th, I faced that there is lack of proper guidance and good resources to understand physics deeply. This struggle continued in my bachelor's as well. However, it fueled my determination to overcome every obstacle. So now I want to make sure that no student has to go through what I faced in my plus 2. There is a lot of resources available now, and it may be distracting also. I have the experience and proper knowledge that how to crack any competitive exam or prepare for it. So basically in this channel I'm going to teach you physics from the scratch for class 11th, 12th and bachelor's as well. So if you want to learn physics by heart, you must watch my lessons. So I will give some comprehensive lessons and there will be interacting classes also. I will teach you each and everything that is necessary for your board exam as well as in competitive exam. My goal is to make physics enjoyable, accessible and understandable for everyone. So whether you are a student preparing for your board exam, or you are a college student, or you want to learn physics by heart, you can watch my comprehensive lessons. And don't forget to subscribe The Curious Equation so that you never miss an update. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.